It is a beautiful Friday morning, and happy to be here working on my game. My name is Toby Preacher from Indie Miners Games to Death. I'm working on my game on my zombie, and I'm building the inventory crafting system right here. And thanks for joining me and doing this together. So today is Friday, and I've worked the whole week on this. Keeping my discipline up, and today the Friday evenings, these are my kind of my free times where I like to relax a little bit, play some video games with some friends. And this week I'm really looking forward to try a new whiskey. This is a Highland single malt Scotch whiskey, and I recently got into this whole single malt whiskey thing, and I'm trying some new brands here. I will not drink too much of that because I don't want to ruin my habits and my discipline. But the kind of the Friday evenings, this is kind of my zone where I release and just having some fun. So my weeks are pretty disciplined. I'm standing up every day at 4 a.m. Then I'm doing my sports, taking a shower, having breakfast, and then I sit down here and do my game development. So if you're interested in how I do this, how I keep my motivation up, and how I build up consistent discipline to do this, then let me know down in the comments, and then I will do a separate video on this and share with you my kind of experience and how I do that. Okay, so let's get started here. Yesterday I was working on a little problem here. I had the problem that if I hover with the mouse over these ingredients, then I was not able to kind of move around everywhere here because the recipe window was overlaying that whole part. So I was able to fix this yesterday and just place it up here so I can get over here with my mouse and scroll the list. And let me just get into maximized mode. So there you go. Here you can see what I mean. And yeah, I see I have a little scaling problem here, so I need to figure out that. But it is now spawning up there, and yeah, I think that's okay. Let me see. I need to get into it again, and then I will focus on the next thing, which will be the unequipment of items. If I go in here, drag some item here, I want to be able to unequip it, which is not possible at the moment. So let's get started. All right, let me see, where is my where is my UI recipe? There it is. So clear recipe for UI. This was not. Here is the position. Okay. So as you can see, I'm setting the position to the item holder position and then set a offset here. And I will remove that offset and just see how it looks when I hit the maximized full screen mode. Then it should spawn right here in the middle like that, which is pretty okay. But I like to have a little bit offset, but I need to think about how I put some offset here that is not scaling with the scale of the rest of the resolution, of the video resolution. That's the word I was missing. How can I do that? Item holder position. Item holder size. Item holder size is way too much. Transform the position. I'm getting this from the UI item holder. Show recipes for item, item types, rect transform position. Maybe I have to take the local position. Is this valid? No, it's not valid. Okay, can't do that. Let me see. It's a vector 2. How can I define a offset that is working all the time? Plus item holder times divided by screen screen dot no screen dot, is there anything? Height, resolutions? No. Width, height. Maybe this. I don't know if this is working. Let's just try out. So I have a little bit of an offset. Not too much. Let me see how this is if I don't maximize. Yeah. Look at this. It pretty much stays the same. The same kind of offset. It is tiny. It's a tiny offset, but it looks like it's working, and it looks like it's similar no matter what the resolution is. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Because I need to be able to move the mouse over here so I can scroll. There we go. Yeah, that's pretty okay. Plus item holder size divided by screen height. Let me just try something. Item holder size times 2. I'm just playing around here. Divided by screen height. So I would double it with that. Yeah. Yeah, I like that. And now if I don't maximize it. Yeah. That's what I want. Let's triple it. item holder size tripled. And then divided by the screen height. Let's see if this is a good idea. Oh yeah. Yes. And maximize. There we go. Oh yes, I like that. I think I will stick with that. That's pretty okay. So I have enough room where I can click this item so it gets swapped over. Yeah, because in this area I can't swap it, but here I can swap. Yeah, okay. I will leave it like that. But maybe just for trial. Just for trying. Let me see. Am I off with that? No, I'm not. It is sticking right up here. Right where it needs to be. Or maybe I can adjust it in another way. Let's see. Yeah, it stays there, exactly there. That's good. Okay, then I will try something else. Let me think. I think I will copy that and I will put it in there. Item holder size times 3 and screen dot height, but screen dot width. Yeah. Oh, I wanted to get not plus but minus. Yeah. Yes, this is exactly what I wanted to have. Because now, when I move the mouse from here, I can access it. When I move it from here, I can access it. So I have a wider range where the mouse can access this. I like that. Yes, I like it. And maximize on play. Let's see. Yeah, it's still the same. So that's good. Yeah, I believe it like that. I'm pleased with it. Alright. So, I'm gonna open up Trello now. Because I have stuff to do. There we go. Add logic for unequipping. Yes. I kind of have a unequipment logic. If I swap that over and then I click in here again, it gets unequipped, and I think I will use the exact same method for the equipment slots down there, and then if you just simply click on it, then it disappears. Yeah, I'll do that. Okay, the logic for it is in the UI item holder, I guess. And it is the and drag on pointer click. It is within here. In this part of the code. Remove items from crafting slots. So this is the logic. If parent game object is UI crafting, if clicked object is not null and clicked object has the UI item holder in parent and item type is not equals to item type none, Then I will get the item. I will set is in crafting system to false. And then I set the clicked object. Where is my clicked object? Where am I getting this reference from? Oh, there. Game object clicked object is event data pointer current raycast.game object. Okay. Amount is 0. Item type is none. Image sprite is null. And what I'm doing here, update item holder visuals. So I'm gonna copy that. And insert it down here one more time. Remove items from equipment slot. And yes, I know I have kind of duplicated code here, but I don't know if there is really a better way to do that while not making it too complicated. So I will stick with it. UI equipment. That's the name. Copy the value. UI equipment. And click an item in equipment slot. Is not null. Item holder. Item type is not none. I will get the item. So, and I will set not is in equipment slot to false. Amount to 0. Item type to none. Sprite to null. And then I will update the item holder visuals, and that should be it. Let me see. So I equip this item. Just equip that. I'll equip it here. There it is gone. And it is gone. Okay. That's working, but you can see one thing. The amount text is still staying there. So I need to take care of that. Amount text. Amount, and I didn't address the amount text. Yeah. Let me just copy that. Insert the code in here, and I will say dot amount text dot text equals to nothing. That should work. Equip, close it. Can equip that stuff. Buy. Okay. Looks pretty good. How is it if I have it opened? Yeah, it's just getting removed. Okay. That's exactly what I wanted to have. Let me check something. What am I doing here? I'm getting the component. UI crafting, update, item holder visuals. I don't think I need that. Let's just comment it out and test if it has any side effects. There we go, there we go. No side effects. Bam, bam, bam. Alright, that's good. So I can delete that. Awesome. That's exactly what I wanted to have. Okay. Good. Let's do the most satisfying thing. Jack that off. Okay. So next up I have the task of adding more recipes and polishing the UI graphics. So these are two very interesting tasks. And let me just add another element. How do you call it in English? Revisit? No, revisit is go through all the code and optimize and clean up. Yeah. Structure. This is a task I need to do, and then I need to do some class diagram documentation and prepare tutorial mark out single steps. Okay, just adding some more to-dos. What's this? Oh, I can assign someone to this task. Cool. Yeah, that's probably me. Since I don't have a team and working on this alone. Maybe that will change in the future. I'm thinking about hiring someone who will do some graphics for me, stuff like that. But we will see. Okay. So I need more recipes. Oh, let me get back into Trello. I want to do some items for the Oh My Zombie game. I want to have a spawnable bone road barrier. I want to have exploding toilet paper. Yeah. You've heard it right. Exploding toilet paper. That's what I want to have. Sounds fun? I think so. I think that sounds fun. So I want to add another item. And where do we do this? Of course, in the class item. And this is now kind of the stuff you would do if you implement this whole system and then you want to build and add your own items. And here is what you need to do. First of all, you need to define another item type, toilet paper. And then you need to define the function for item type dot toilet paper. Oh, double here. Return game assets dot instance dot toilet paper. Of course, there is an error because I have to define that in the game assets class. I have to define a sprite there. Okay. Let me just copy that. And then, is it stackable? Well, I didn't implement that at all. I think every item is stackable. Let me think. Do I want to have any item that is not stackable? No, I don't want to have that because I have just a limited amount of item slots in here, and I want them all to be stackable. Yes, I want to have them stackable. So I don't need the property is stackable, and I see I don't have it up here anywhere. Public bool is stackable. Well, I will just delete that. Boom. There we go. Don't need that. Just clean up a little bit. There we go. Okay, then next I need to get into my game assets and define a sprite. And this is going to be, of course, a serializable field. Serialize field. And it's gonna be an internal, oh, not an interface, internal sprite. Toilet paper. There we go. Now the arrow is gone. Okay, then let's get back into Unity, into the resources folder. There's my game assets, and here is the toilet paper, and I don't have any sprite for it now, so I need one. And luckily I have one from the Oh My Zombie game, and I have it somewhere in there. Or let me see. Where is my game? There it is. Assets. Graphics. I think it's in scene. Objects. Yeah. Here's my toilet paper. Toilet paper 800. Let's drop it here. We'll go back to resources. Game assets. Toilet paper. There we go. And then what I need to do then is go into the inventory, go into the item holders, and assign a item holder to that item type. And I got it here. There's the toilet paper, and then I have to be careful because every time the toilet paper is getting assigned to the last 3 slots so I have to change them back to none. And if I hit play now and open the inventory, you can see here is the toilet paper. Yep. I had some kind of null reference exception here, but I didn't look closely. Can't do anything with that because I don't. Let me see. Do I have an item in there? No, I don't have it. Because I'm instantiating them in the inventory. Inventory, no, and the inventory is sitting on the player, so I go into the player and then I say on start. I think it was on start or on enable. Yeah, it's on enable. Item type sword. Item type toilet paper. There we go. Now there should be spawning, or at least there should be contained one toilet paper in the inventory, and there we go. There it is. There we have it. And now my bell is ringing and telling me that I have to end this video and go to my main job. But yeah, I have one more item type. And I can equip it. Oh my gosh. Well, that's a great end for this video. Look at that. Look at that massive toilet paper. The player is getting equipped a massive toilet paper. That's hilarious. That's when you don't. That's when you're not careful with the scale of your sprites. Then something like this happens. Yeah. Cool. Yeah. I will end the video at this point, and I thank you very much for watching, especially if you have watched until the end. Thank you. And I'm gonna see you next week on Monday when I'm working on my game again, and I'm really looking forward to it. But I also look forward to enjoy the weekend and do some stuff, socialize a little bit, and maybe do some sports or some outdoor activities. We have really nice weather at the moment, so I can enjoy that, and really looking forward to it. It has been a hard week, and so I'd like to relax a little bit and fill up my energy bars again. So thank you guys. I see you in the next one. Bye.